Hi, today is a very special day. I think most of you have been waiting for this, and today I'll be going to unbox our first ever play button. So let's open our play button. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's a little foam right here. So this is a small letter from our CEO of YouTube, and yeah, that's it. This is a card from who designed it, and this is our play button, like that. Let's open it. It's pretty heavy for its size. It's really shiny. See that? So this is a silver play button. This is for 100k subscribers, and if you guys weren't subscribing to my channel, I would be holding this. So yeah, now let's go for the gold play button, and that's for 1 million subscribers. And see you again in my next video. Bye.